हेलो एवरीवन, मैं वंदना आप सबका यूपीएससी टाइम में स्वागत करती हूँ। आज की वीडियो में हम एनसीईआरटी हिस्ट्री का चैप्टर 2 पढ़ने वाले हैं। इट विल द क्लास 12 चैप्टर 2 किंग फार्मर एंड टाउन अर्ली स्टेट्स एंड इकोनॉमिक्स। नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट द चैप्टर। It will going to the first slide. Introduction. There were several changes in the economic and the political life between 600 to 600 common eras. The most important was the emergence of early states, empire and kingdom. There were other changes as well as like growth in agriculture, production, emergence of new towns, etc. Using a variety of source, inscription, text, coins, etc. There is a complex process and the source do not tell the entire entire story. Some development during the long span of the 1500 year following the end of the Harappan civilization. There were several development that took place Indian during the long span of 1500 year along following the end of the Harappan civilization. They are Rigveda was composed along the Indus and its tributary. Agriculture settlement emergence in a part of the subcontinent. Emergence of new mode of disposal of dead like megalithics in a central and a south India. Emergence of new town and a kingdom. Princep and Pierre Desai. James Princep, an officer in the Mint of East India Company, he deciphered Brahmani and the Kharosthi script and help us know about his period in 1830s. In the script of he found a mention of the king called Piyadasi, meaning the pleasant to behold. There is a perception that Piyadasi must have been used to King Ashoka, grandson of Chandragupta Maurya. The 6th century before Common Era was turning point in the early Indian history region. The 6th century before Common Era is often regarded as a major turning point in earlier Indian history. This era is known for some crucial development. They are increased use of iron, development of coinage, emergence of early states and cities, rise of the religion, namely Jainism and Buddhism. At that time, the 16 Mahajanpadas, Kamboj, Gandhar, Kuru, Sursena, Matsya, Avanti, Vasta, Chedi, Kashi, Magadha, Anga, Viriji, Koshal, Panchal, and Asmag, the 16 Mahajana that rose to the power at the rate of 1600 before Common as the course of the river are as to today map do not scale. India before 1600 Common as Mahajanapadas. These were the ancient cities like Mahanodi, Tapati at that time की river थी और with that 16 Mahajanpadas also explained in this slide. Feature of the Mahajanpadas. The 6th before Common Era is known for the rise of 16 Mahajanpadas. These states were either ruled by the king or Ganas Sanghas. Each had its own capital of often fortified. Some state maintained permanent standing army, recruitment from the peasantry and the regular bureaucracy. Dharma Sutra laid down norm for the cities and other people. Function of the ruler were to collect taxes and tribute from the people. Factor for the rise of the Magda between the 6th and 4th century. Rise before Common Era. Magda become the most powerful Mahajanpadas. Powerful ambitious ruler like the Bimbisara, Ajatasattu and the Mahapandamapada. Availability of the iron enabled the Mahajanpadas to make tools and weapons. Availability of elephant in the forest constitute an important part of the army. Fertile soils provide agriculture productivity. Ganga and distributary provide means of cheap and conveyance communication. Location of the Patliputra facilitate routes of the communication along the Gangas. Rajgriha, the old capital of Magda, was located amongst the hill. The rise of Magda culminated in the emergence of the Mauryan people. Chandragupta Maurya was the founder of empire who extended control up to Afghanistan and Baluchistan. His grandson Ashoka, the most famous ruler, conquered the Kalinga. Historians have used variety of sources to reconstruct the history of the Mauryan Empire. They are archaeologists find especially sculpture, Ashoka's inscription, literary source like Indica account of the Magasthine Arasthara of the Kautilya and the Buddhist Jaina and the Puranic literature. Ashoka was the first ruler who inscribed his message to his people to stone, rock, and pillar. He used the inscription to proclaim his principle of the Dharma. This include respect to the elders, generosity toward the Brahma and other sects, kindness to slaves and servants, religious tolerance toward other religion. Feature of Mauryan administration and mentioned in the Ashokan inscription. The Mauryan king was center of the great administrative system. He enjoyed absolute power. The vast empire was divided into number of provinces. The Mauryan had a strong standing army, five major political centers. There were five major political centers: Patliputra, Takshila, Ujjaini, Tosali, and Suvarnagiri to administrate the vast empire. These centers were situated on important long-distance trade route. Communication along both land and the river Rhine routes was vital to existence of the empire. Mauryan administration role of the sub-committees. Maghastin mentioned a committee with 6 subcommittees was organized for the coordinating military activity, the look after the navy, transport, infantry, cavalry, chariot, and elephant. The second committee was to arrange the bullock cart to carry the equipment, procure food for soldiers and fodder for animal, and recruit servant and the artisan to look after the soldier. Measure of the Ashoka to hold his empire. Ashoka tried to hold his empire together by propagating the Dhamma. He appointed special officer called Dhamma Matas to spread the message of the Dhamma. New national of the kingship post-Mauryan period. By the 2nd century before Common Era, new chiefdom and kingdom emerged in several parts of the subcontinent. Cholas era and Pandya in Tamilakam were known from the Sanga's text. Several states, including the Satavahans and the Shakas, took advantage from the long distance of the trade. Kushan, 1st century before Common Era to 1st century Common Era, ruled over a vast kingdom extending from the Central Asia to northwest India. New national nation of the kinship post-Mauryan period. Their history has been reconstructed from the inscription, coin, and the sculpture. The nation of the kinship they want to convey are well reflected in their coin and the sculpture. Huge statues of the Kushan ruler have been found in UP and Afghanistan. These indicate that the Kushan considered themselves god-like. They claimed divine status and adopted the title of the Deva Putra or son of gold. History of the Gupta 4th century Common Era has been reconstructed from the literature, coin, and the inscription, including Parashtis, the Pragya Parashtis Allahabad pillar inscription composed of the Harisena and the court poet of Samundragupta. What the subject think about their ruler? Historians have tried to understand this by examining stories contained in Jatakas written in Nepali and the Panchatantra. The Jataka story indicates the strained relationship between the king and the subject. King demand high taxes and the peasant opposed to this. Divine kings to present themselves as a superior need to be worshipped. First claimed by the Kushan in the 1st century, claiming to the Devaputra during the 4th century before Common Era. Pashti composed to praise king in Gupta period. Prayag Pashti written by the Harisena and Foda Samundragupta in the Sanskrit. Changing courtside popular perception of the king's strategy for the increasing production different in a rural society, land grant and new rural elites. Popular perception of the king. No count of the people about their king from oral folk tales such as the Pranchantra and the Ganda Tindu Jataka were lately written in Pali. In the first million Common Era, one story depicts about a wicked king collecting taxes, leading people to hide and live in a forest. Strategy for the increasing agriculture production, use of iron-tipped plowshare, introduction of the transplantation of the paddy, irrigation through the wells, tanks and a canal, Hoek agriculture in the semi-arid part of the Punjab, Rajasthan and the hilly track in the northeastern central parts. We stop this lecture at here. Now in the next video we will cover the other slide of this chapter. Hope you like this video. If you are new in this channel, then please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon, and also like, share and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned in the channel. Thank you.